Welcome, today I've heard of my iPad Pro 2017 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the wallpaper section. Then click here, choose new wallpaper and select one from this available wallpapers here. For example, let's use this one. Click to set and select lock screen. So just wait a second. Let's just lock our device and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our iPad Pro. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.